Okay, hiccup. Can you not do it on command?
I need the sauce again.
No!
I have to wait a while. Feels like it's still there, but...
Yeah.
Oh.
That's typical. Every time. Oh, every time I try and film you hiccups, they just go.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Oh, it was fun.
I'm gonna say it.
Yeah, you'll be YouTube star. We'll make you famous yet.
Okay. Apparently, makeup sound like duck quack.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do that again.
What?
Do that noise.
Maybe it makes it look like it's not Billy.
Yeah.
No, it was definitely Billy. I was right next to him, and all I hear was quacking ridiculous.
I thought you were thinking about me in the duck.
I don't know. It's a train stream.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah!
On end, it was funny.
He kept doing this. He kept quacking. He kept going yum 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 yum. And at one point he was like right next to me, and he went.
Maybe he was pretending to duck, eating the grass, and then he got shot.
Amazing. Why would being shot sound like? I thought it was a train.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm cutting it off because my phone's getting wet.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
It's the Flail girl. Do something, Amber.